Okay, so let's look at question 6. In the circuit shown, diodes are ideal. Which is the correct representation of transfer characteristics of the circuit? This is the circuit given. This is an op-amp, plus 10, minus 5 volt. Vi is given to negative terminal. At positive terminal, it is connected to 4 kilo ohm, and it is connected to ground. Then there are two diodes, D1 and D2, PN. This is 2 kilo ohm resistors, and this is V0. Okay, so there are 4 options given. These are the 4 options. So this is the box. The direction is clockwise, V0 and Vi, plus 10, minus 5, and this voltage is a crossing at Vi is, at this crossing Vi is minus 2.5 volt, and here it is 6.67 volts. Okay, similar option B is similar to this, only the direction is different. It is clockwise, it is anti-clockwise. Rest all the values are same. At V0 it is going from minus 5 to plus 10, and it is at Vi it is going from minus 2.5 to 2.5 to 6.67 volt. Here also the option C is, it is going from minus 10 to plus 10. Instead of going from minus 5 to plus 10, it is going from minus 10 to 10, and the crossing points at Vi at crossing points Vi are same, minus 2.5, 6.67 volt here and here. Okay, and at D it is clockwise direction, it is anti-clockwise direction, plus 10, minus 10 to plus 10, and Vi at crossings are minus 2.5 and 6.67 volt. Out of these 4 we have to check which one will be the characteristics. Now for the solution, directly you will exclude these 2 options, because it is going from minus 10 to plus 10, minus 10 to plus 10, and our supply is from minus 5 to plus 10. So at max it will go from plus 10 to minus 10 only at V0. So clearly you can remove these 2, because they were from minus 10 to plus 10. Out of these 2 we have to select which one is the answer. So I don't have to check the crossing points, because they both have the same option values. Here also at this point it is minus 2.5, at this point it is 6.67 volt. Here also it is minus 2.5, here also it is 6.67 volt, and the range of V0 is minus 5 to 10, minus 5 to 10. The only difference is the direction. It is clockwise, it is anti-clockwise. So which one it is? Now for the solution I will tell you, they both are true. They both are curves of Schmitt trigger. Okay, the only difference is where you are applying the input. Now Schmitt trigger comes with 2 circuits, inverting and non-inverting. It depends where you are applying the input, and depending upon that this direction will change. Okay, since Vi is applied to negative terminal, so it is inverting type. Schmitt trigger circuit. Okay, because at inverting terminal we are applying Vi. Now just see if I'll assume I have to check the direction only. Okay, so how I am checking? Assume your V0 is plus 10 volt. Okay, assume if V0 is plus 10 volt, means V plus would have been greater than V minus, or you can say Vi. Okay, V minus is same as Vi, so I can write Vi. So this terminal voltage would have been greater than this negative terminal, and that's the reason I am getting plus 10 volt. Okay, so if I will increase the value of Vi, then what will happen? If you will increase Vi, increase, at some point V minus will be greater than V plus. I am assuming this condition right now. This is right now. Now what will happen if I'll increase the value of Vi? At some point of time, V negative will become greater than V positive, or Vi will be greater than V positive. Then what should happen? If I'll do this thing, what should happen? Since Vi will become greater than V positive, then it should go from, the output should go from, since this terminal is getting higher, so it should go from plus 10 to minus 5. Okay, so this is the logic I'll apply. I'm considering this case and I'm increasing the value of Vi, and I will check whether it will go from plus 10 to minus 5 or not. Now I'm assuming this case means V positive is greater than Vi, means this voltage will be greater than Vi, so plus 10. Okay, as you increase the value of Vi, means you are going in this direction, positive direction. Okay, so what should happen? It should go from plus 10 to minus 5. Okay, because V minus will be greater than V plus at some point of time, which is here. So what I have to see, when I'll reach in Vi, when I'll reach here, it should convert to plus 10 to minus 5. Plus 10 to minus 5. This arrow tells me it comes from plus 10 to minus 5. So this will not be the answer, this will be the answer. Okay. Similarly, if you want to assume V0 is minus 5 volt, which means it might be in the case V minus would have been greater than V plus. Now what I'll do, if Vi is in my control, I'll decrease the value of Vi. So at some point V plus will become greater than V minus, and in that condition V0 should go to minus 5 to plus 10. Okay, so I'm assuming it is in minus 5, output is in minus 5, and I'm going in this direction now. If I'm performing this operation, means in Vi I am going in this direction. As I go in this direction, at some point, which is this point, V plus will be greater than V minus, and it should switch from minus 5 to plus 10. So when I'll come here, this is the curve which is switching from minus 5 to plus 10. This arrow tells me. So if you will assume this state or the previous one, in both the cases this option A is coming to be the answer. Okay, now I'll tell you how this can be the answer. Okay, here if you'll see, the arrows are different, that's why I got to know that this could be the answer. Now I'll show you the non-inverting type where this will be the answer. Okay, now this is the circuit for non-inverting Schmitt trigger. Okay, so Vi I am applying this. These are two resistances, plus 10 to minus 5, minus 5 to plus 10, whatever. Negative terminal is connected to ground, and from positive terminal you are applying the input. This is the output. Now if you assume V0 is equal to plus 10 volt, this is plus 10 volt, then your V plus would have been greater than V minus. And now if you will decrease the value of V plus, here you can control the V plus by controlling Vi. Okay, so V plus, if you will decrease, at some point V minus will be greater than V plus, and at that point means V plus is decreasing, means Vi you might have been decreasing, so you are going in this direction. At some point V minus will be greater than V plus, means at this point your V0 should change to plus 10 to minus 5, plus 10 to minus 5, this guy. Why? Because I assumed plus 10, and now when I am decreasing, my V minus becomes greater than V positive, and that's why it will switch from plus 10 what I assumed to minus 5. Okay, so I have to see the change, that's it. So plus 10 to minus 5, which is in this curve, B curve. So this is non-inverting type. So similarly you can check for minus 5 as well. If you will assume it to be minus 5 volt, means this V minus might have been greater than B plus, and if you increase the value instead of decreasing, now if you increase the value, because I want to see the change, means you are going in this direction. Okay, and ultimately at some point V plus will become greater than V minus, which is at this point, switching point, and at this point V naught will switch from minus 5 to plus 10. Okay, which is happening here, minus 5 to plus 10. So in that case your answer will be B, but for this case your answer will be A. Okay, so I hope you are able to see the difference. Here Vi is applied to positive terminal, here Vi is applied to negative terminal. Mind you, both are in positive feedback. Okay, you break the wire, you increase this voltage. This is in since you are increasing this voltage, this will be negative bias, this will be forward bias, means this voltage is increasing. If this voltage is voltage divided by voltage division, this voltage is increasing. If positive voltage is increasing, means your output will be increasing. So it was increasing and it was increasing, so increase, it is positive feedback. That's how you check feedback, right? Here also if you will see, if you will break this wire, increase this voltage V naught, so ultimately V positive will increase. V positive will increase means your output will increase. So both are in positive feedback. It's just a matter where you are applying the input. So here you are applying to the positive, here you are applying to the negative. Mostly this circuit is used, so you can assume this is the most useful case, option A. Okay, so I hope you got the difference. So for this question answer is B. Okay, sorry, A, because this circuit was given.